Chimichurri is a very simple sauce, but it's a classic pairing with grilled meats. But you don't need the wood oven to make chimichurri, unless of course you're going to roast some red chilies. But it does go well with many of the dishes you would make in the wood-fired oven, especially steak. But it's also a great accompaniment to chicken, fish, and vegetables. This recipe makes a little over 2 cups, but you can always halve the ingredients if you don't want to make that much. So to begin, to a bowl I'll add 200 milliliters of good quality extra virgin olive oil, and 60 milliliters of sherry vinegar, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, pinch of salt, a little black pepper if you want, but you already have the heat from the red pepper, 2 to 3 finely chopped cloves of garlic, then I have 40 grams or 2 cups of fresh parsley, and 20 grams or 1 cup of fresh oregano, and I'll chop that all together. Add that all to the bowl. And stir to combine. This will keep in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks, but during that time it will lose some of its bright green color, but it will improve in flavor. So if you haven't already made chimichurri, give it a try.